Hello everyone, my name is Tias Livia from Outspan Primary School. Uh, Today we had a workshop about science. I'm from a science department. The day was so colorful. We learned very many things. We learned about a microscope, we learned about the skeleton and so many others.
Hello everyone, my name is Chibuka Henry, a science teacher at Outspan Primary School in Amulonge. I want to take this opportunity to thank our director for having given us a chance to receive the science kit. On the same note, I want to thank the River Flow International for the facilitation they have given us. So we are now ready to move on with the competence-based teaching as the curriculum instructs us to do. So we are ready to move on with the practical in the practical world. Thank you.